Guten Tag. It's me, Brandon. Yet again. As you can see, it's been a long day. It's not really a long day. It's 1:47. I'm tired. So I'm not doing the room tour. Mel, she doesn't want to do the room tour. So I have a new person to do the room tour.
And that person would happen to be me, because the other one, Brandon, had to be too lazy. So now I'm gonna give you a nice tour of me being a person who knows DVC members and gets a nice luxurious trip. Now, if you'll please follow me to one of two bathrooms that we shall never use. Okay. I'll just close that because we do not want to see who that was.
Yeah, it's Dr.
The only thing is that we'll probably just use this just to use the toilet, that's about it. But otherwise, nice bathroom, great space and all that. Stereotypical closet, nothing too special. Ain't gonna get anything out of that. Our beautiful fridge. Very, very nice. Put our drinks in that. And now, the coup de grace, the rainfall shower. What everyone is going to be using. Oh, I cannot wait. Oh, it's gonna be lovely. And now the piece de resistance, the bedroom.
Oh,
now,
Brandon moved.
Blocking my TV.
Well, I'm doing the room tour, you want to be lazy, you don't get a say in that matter. This is not going to be my bed, because also having benefits of knowing DVC members is I don't choose what bed I get. So
Right.
I have to stick with the Murphy bed.
And you might ask yourselves this, where is the bed? Where has the bed gone? Why is there bars in the wall?
Yeah, right here.
This painting's so cute. You closing it on me?
Yeah. And there's my bed for the night.
We're gonna talk about this closing the bed on me later.
You don't want to move. That's about it. A bit of a downgrade, but you know, beggars can't be choosers.
So what room are we in, Ethan?
I believe it is a deluxe studio, if I'm remembering that correctly.
Yes, it is.
Resort.
And what-
Polynesian Resort, one of my favorite resorts. If I were a DVC member, this is probably where I'd have my home resort.
And why is it your favorite?
Because I just love the atmosphere. Hawaii, who doesn't love Hawaii?
There you go.
Well,
There's one of the artworks.
absolute beauty over there. Like, I love this
In the room.
art.
Thank you, I made it myself.
Oh, you wish, Brandon.
That's with someone with actual
Yeah.
talent.
It's a piece.
Uh-huh.
Ethan, what view do we have?
Not a really good view. We were told we could see fireworks, but
I
as
don't
you can clearly see,
think so.
you see construction.
Here's the thing. She's not lying. If you close your eyes and rub your eyes really fast,
You'll see fireworks. Yeah. But as you can clearly see, room's nice and all. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you tomorrow.
where I will do the room tour again. To be continued. Bum, bum, bum. So bye-bye now.